to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng mint chocolate chip slime! So itong, ang tawag doon? Itong chocolate chip na to is DIY lang. And ang ginamit ko lang dito is brown poster paint and jelly cubes. Sobrang easy lang niya kasi kailangan mo lang naman siyang gupit-gupitin, tapos kukulayan mo lang siya ng color brown. And ito na itsura na. I'm very happy how it turned out kasi mukha siyang chocolate chip. So now let's make slime! So lalagyan na tayo ng white glue. So that's enough. Tapos i-close ko lang ito. And malapit nang maubos tong white glue ko. But that's fine. Pero ang cute niya kasi. Then now maglalagay na tayo ng color green. Wow! Ang ganda! So, yan ang kulay niya. And sobrang pretty niya. Parang siyang V-Fresh. So, yan. I-mix muna natin. Looks cool. It looks very gorgeous. And tapos mag-add tayo ng activator. And then mix lang natin until maging slime. And we're swimming. And exactly. And pares siya kulay. I'm so excited because di pa ako nakatikim ng mint chocolate chip, but I want to try it. Wow. So, okay na yung slime, and it's a little bit messy kasi kanina ko pa siya ginaganon. So, now let's start making mint chocolate chip slime! Whoa! But before I will play with it, it's really stretchy and soft too. It's really smooth. Here's the color. I really like it. And wala pa tong chocolate chips Looks so cool. And ito na naman, mukha na naman siyang butter, pero hindi siya, ibang kulay siya. Isn't it that satisfying? Tapos, pag ang smooth niya. Like, so now, maglalagay na tayo nito. So, isa-swirl ko muna. And I'll just get this ready. I'll just get this ready. So, isa-swirl na. And I have to really be fast kasi soft siya. So, ayan na guys. Ayan na yung itsura ng mint chocolate chip slime! And it looks fantastic and I wanna eat it. So guys, I hope na nagustuhan nyo to. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!